last week while monitoring for the Unified Water Study in the Huntington Northport Bay complex. Cornell Cooperative Extension Marine Program staff witnessed something spectacular. We estimate that there were at least 50 bottlenose dolphins in Northport Bay. The team saw them hunting for snapper, which are baby bluefish, and bunker. These fish swim in large schools throughout our local waters. If you look closely, you can see the bottlenose dolphins slapping the surface with their tails to stun the fish. This sighting is an extremely rare event. Throughout the summer months, boaters and beachgoers are likely to see dolphins along the coastline of the Atlantic Ocean. Witnessing a pod of 50 or more bottlenose dolphins playing, hunting, and with at least 2 calves alongside is a wonderful sign of a healthy ecosystem. These dolphins were most likely hanging out in Northport Bay because of food. If there are delicious schools of fish, they will follow. You never know where this pod of dolphins might be next. Keep your eyes out and please be respectful of their home.